What's up guys, it's me Geek. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of a $5 HDMI cable. You know, when I was buying the original Xbox 360 back in 2006, there was a stupid lady which was telling me to buy a Panasonic HDMI cable for $200. Indeed, yes, $200. But one thing already was in my mind: digital mean digital. You use a $5 cable, $1 cable, or a $200 cable, you are going to get the same image quality. So let me show you. Here's the cable. The cable seems quite good. This is like 1.8 meter. What else I can say? I can easily recommend it. So do not use expensive cables. Try to buy the most cheapest HDMI cable you can. It doesn't really matter you're using a $5,000 plasma or a 4K television. It doesn't really matter. Bye.